Hello there, this is Shura Joshi and welcome back. This is my another video of WordPress. In this video, you will learn how you can install WordPress online. In this video, I will also show you how you can make your first website for free by using subdomains. Or in this video, you will learn how you can operate your WordPress site or how you can operate your WordPress by using your mobile at anywhere at any time. So guys, watch this full video so that you will learn everything related to WordPress. So if you love this video guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video. If you have any kind of questions, then make a comment. I will definitely try to solve all of your questions. So guys, let's move further to our topic. So in this video I will show you how you can make your website or how you can install WordPress online by using a website called as 000webhost.com. Guys, I choose this website because this website is really easy, so you can really understand how you can install WordPress online. So let's move further. First you have to go to the website, the 000webhost.com. So guys, I will give you link in the description so you can easily find this website. First you have to just sign up for free and choose the plan, go for free. After clicking on that, first you have to put your working email address and a password and a website name. Guys, website name is like what you have to put your website name, like newsindia.com, indianews.com, whatever you want to give website your name, you can do it. So guys, what is like, why this website offering you free website? Because this website use their name as a subdomain. So whenever you open this site or your site, then they will show you 000webhost.com. So they mention that this website is created by using webhost 000webhost.com. So guys, I already signed up, so I will directly log in. Here you have to log into your ID and password. As I am logging, guys, after login you will see a picture like this. So first you have to do, just go to build website. Sorry for that, it's actually asking for rating them. I am not going to rate now. So guys, here you can find a web builder. Just install WordPress. Go to install now, and here you can see, guys, name is admin and password whatever you want to. I am just putting it admin. So here our WordPress is installing. It will take a little bit of time. So guys, watch this full video. I know as your time is precious, I don't want to take your more time. So guys, as you can see, our website or our WordPress is near about to finish, and here is now our WordPress is installed. Just go to configuration page. Guys, here you can see that we log in through, and here first you have to put your database login ID. That was admin for me, and this could be anything for you guys. So guys, don't forget your password. Here it is. Just put the username as admin, password as admin, and just log in. It will take some time, so wait for it. So guys, as you can see, we log in to our dashboard, and as I show you, these are all the things which we already saw in our last video. So guys, this was the video of this topic. Guys, after in my next video lecture, I will show you how you can manage all these things, how you can make your first post to your website, how you can customize your website, how you can change your theme, how you can change your plugins, how you can add medias, how you can add pages. I will show you in my next video. So stay tuned with me. This is Shivraj Joshi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whenever and wherever you are watching this video. And keep in mind, how much you earn is depends on how much you learn. Goodbye. See you in next video.